Today we're gonna explore Mogadisho. Yeah, we're gonna explore the streets of Mogadisho. We're gonna see how the life is in real life. You see, the people are walking, some people are walking, and some enjoying their time. Yes, people are happy and friendly. So, you see, some people are fighting and some people are. Yeah, everything is amazing here. The street is in Mogadisho is crazy. The vibe is crazy. Yeah, we're gonna see how the life is in Mogadisho. And we're gonna try some street food. Yeah. If you are new here, subscribe, like, and share. Take the channel to the highest level. I don't know what this man is trying to do, but he looks very angry, man. You can't see here. This is the where you can get the cheapest clothes. Yeah, you see, this is beautiful. If your pocket is little low, you can come here and take some good quality clothes like this. Abuda meqa sahab? Yeah, it's just $2. Discount ku jira? De ugu yaraad $1 qaadaya. This is just $2. You see? It is cotton. Yeah. You can come here, you can get some quality clothes. This all at the streets. This is also some, you can see, you can get keys, fingers, big bell, the flag, and the view is like this. Yeah. You're gonna see how the thing is going in real life. Yeah, the street is contains many things. You see, the lady selling it's safe. Here is the banana and Here there is some watches, some rings.
Yeah.
You can see some glasses. We'll try some things. Let's try these glasses. Alatan رخيصة. Euro Pakistan. Yeah. The glass is so good. Tahu balkan mereka.
I like the thinking in a video go to.
Başı diyor, biarpun tidur, apa dia? Yeah, this young boy is selling some good stuff in here. This is price mereka. Yeah.
$12 right now.
How dollar lah?
Yeah.
This one, man. It's just $2. And you see. The glasses that presidents use, the president stuff, and some politicians. You're gonna take these glasses just for $2. The streets of Mogadishu. There is a coffee shop is on the street where the people take their meeting and chill and yeah. All contains. The most people use to transportation. See, we call tuk-tuk. Mostly people in Mogadishu they use this motorbike for their transportation. Yeah. see some vegetables. You see? This apple, this mango, and that's lemon. Local banana. Yeah. You can get everything in here. You see? Kan is what this man? Kan is you boy? Yeah, they are all cheap. Abas kami apa sah? $4 رخيص ما discount boleh man. This is just $4. You can get all these books only $4. Yeah, it's very cheap. So tired, and now we're gonna drink some water. Pineapple juice, and this guy is going to make. You're gonna see how he's going to make. الناس كذا عنوني yeah, everything is here. Is a very cheap and so sweet. If you are in Mogadishu, you can come here and enjoy a good meal. Drink. Yeah, I'm very tired, so thirsty. So let's make our body cool. Wow, it's so sweet. Yeah. And this is full. This is how you enjoy your time in streets in Mogadishu. Yeah, finally. This is the place. This is where we're gonna end our vlog. Yeah, it was roughly so if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, take the video, new audience, share, comment. You're gonna see the next